What is maybe an example of where you had to ignore advice or change plans?
For example, among the mistakes we initially made, it was not from advice but also from our exploration way, is that um, we I mean, it's not a mistake. It happens usually in startups that you change directions. So we started first by looking into one application, which is concrete inspection. And after several months, we realized that it's not really the best starting point for us because it's very fragmented, very hard to reach customers. At this point, we decided to change direction and focus on oil and gas because there you have easier access to the customers and you can, like, there are big players in the inspection and on the as asset owners, so they are easier to interact with. On the concrete inspection, it's very fragmented, so many small companies doing the inspection, and they are very hard to convince them to use or deploy new robotic solutions for the inspection.